Hello, people. Hope you have a wonderful day. Welcome to Tech with Machines. Today, on day 2 of Spark Learning, let's explore Predicate Pushdown. This is one of the very frequent questions being asked in Spark interviews. Mostly, people are aware that Spark optimizes query execution plans. But how does it do it? Predicate Pushdown is one of the important optimization techniques which Spark uses to optimize query execution plan. Let's deep dive into its definition. As I told, that it is one of the important steps in query optimization, but what does it do? It actually identifies filter predicates and pushes them down to the data sources. Data source can be a file source or it can be a database. Don't get confused. Let's try it with an example. It's pretty straightforward. As usual, I'm using a Jupyter notebook and I have already created a Spark session with a Spark context. What we are going to do is, we are going to keep our file data source as file source. So we are going to read a file called flightdata.csv. And this file has 3 columns: destination country, origin country, and the count. We are going to filter all the flights whose origin is from United States. So if we are going to do it without predicate, so we'll first be loading all the data. That's what I have done here. I'm reading the CSV and loading it as a data frame. The next step could be that I will basically be doing a filter on the origin, on the origin column, which we'll pick from here and put it here, and this is expected to be United States, so we'll take the value from here and put it here. So let's run this. Sorry, because we are using a column, so we'll have to do the column predicate. And because we are going to use a column, so we will have to also import that. So we can use apachespark.sql functions and load that. Uh-oh, what happened? Okay, so as you can see, I did one mistake here. Can you catch that? Basically, I haven't read the CSV with headers. So if I do it with header equal to true, then it should be able to identify the United States. As you can see, there it is now fine. We'll also do a show here to just see what are the rows in our data frame. As you can see, it actually brought up all the flights of origin United States. Now, what does basically predicate pushdown do? And when Spark does it, it will basically try to do the filter along with the reading. So it will filter, only get the rows which basically belong to that instead of reading the whole file. So we'll be doing the same thing, just within a single line. So then we'll do the filter on this along with the same line and run it. So as you can see, this is also going to return exactly same what we returned on top one. Yeah, that's pretty much about predicate pushdown. It's as simple as that instead of reading the file first and then doing a filter, which can load huge amount of data, the file is pretty big. It is better to do a filter so that the data transfer of the network is efficient enough. That's it for today. Thank you so much.